Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are dive into some essential tips to optimize your LinkedIn profile and make it stand out in 2024. Whether you are job hunting, networking or looking for build your personal brand, tips will help you to make most of your LinkedIn presence. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about your headline. Your Your LinkedIn headline is one of the first thing people see. So make it countable. Instead of just listing your job title, use this page to highlight your skill and what you bring to the table. For example, I have completed my data analytics course. Then first of all, I write the most priority content. So Google certified data analytics. Then after, what is your current position? I am studying in college. That's why I write IT professional with passion for data analytics, seeking opportunity to excel in analytics and drive data driven insight. For remember, your headline should be clear, concise, and packed with keywords what reflect your expertise. Next up, your summary. This is your chance to tell your story. Start with the strong opening that grab attention and then highlight your key accomplishment, skill and what you are passionate about. Keep it professional but also let bit of your personality shines through. Think of your summary as your elevator pitch. It's your opportunity to make the great first impression. Now let's more move on the skill. Now let's move on to skill and endorsement. For make sure to list relevant skill that reflect your expertise in industry. For example, I am complete my data analytics series. Then I most priority I written the all related to this skill. Now endorsement. Endorsement is also one important thing. So make sure to list relevant skill and reflect your expertise in industry. Skill are crucial because they improve your visibility in LinkedIn search. Also don't hesitate to ask colleague and connection for endorsement. This adds credibility to your profile. And remember, endorse other in your network too. It's great way to build relationship and often people with return a favor. Let's talk about your profile photo. Use high quality professional photo which use dress appropriately for your industry. Your photo should be clear and focused with facing the camera and smiling. Profile with professional photo get significantly more views. Avoid using the casual and blurry photo as they can make your look unprofessional. Another quick tip to your customize your URL, LinkedIn URL. A customized URL looks clear and easier to share your resume or a business card. You can do this by going to profile setting and edit your profile user. So go to here the public profile and URL. Simply go here and change. I write just my name and save. It's not available for my right now. So simply I write this. So this is my professional URL. Instead of this, you can just write linkedin.com/in/jaisai3110. So it look good. This small change can make the big difference in how professional your profile appears. Finally, make sure to highlight your experience and achievement. You use bullet point to list your key responsibility and accomplishment for each role, qualifying your achievement when possible using metrics to showcase your impact. Also, don't forget to include any relevant project, volunteer work, or certification. This adds depth to your profile and so they're well rounded. Here my achievements and all my already I post in LinkedIn post. If you want to see how I am consistent in this, then follow me. And these are the have it by following this tip you will be on your way to creating a standout LinkedIn profile that attract recruiters and help you to grow your professional network. If you found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more career tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.